As a mold mitigation professional, we deal mostly with wet mold issues and wet mold species. And to the common person, they don't really understand what that is. So the most common ones we deal with are from wet mold species families, and visually, they have the appearance of colonies, okay? So if I would be looking at a piece of wallboard, or maybe a floor, or even in a unfinished basement at masonry, and I see patterns, like looks like a formation of a colony. That is how I can identify that's a wet mold species type. And those are the more dangerous and more powerful type of species. So that's the type of things that we look for. Something we don't put a lot of emphasis on and look for is color. It's a misnomer with black mold, because the black mold that you have to be concerned about is wet mold and specific name of mold, which is only identified through testing. It's not identified by color, because the color black is the most common color of all mold species, and there are over 230,000 of them. Of the 230,000 species, we are predominantly dealing with about 30 of those species that are the most common wet mold species that form indoors.